truck carrying a material used in fertilizer caught fire this morning near FM 2154 and Highway 6 South. The 18-wheeler was carrying potash, a non-hazardous, non-flammable material, when firefighters say the brakes caught on fire. When South Brazos County firefighters arrived, all 8 rear wheels of the truck had caught fire, and the rear of the truck suffered damage, causing the potash to spill.
It took a while to get it put out because of the potash that did spill around the tires. It made it difficult to get to the tires to put water on it.
No one was injured. The fire department says the potash and fire did not pose any danger to the public.